At the end of the video, in just one click, you can create a functional CRUD website just like this using ASP.NET MVC. First, let's create a new project. So find the MVC ASP.NET Core Web App Model View Controller. Make sure it is C Sharp. So next, you can name this anything you want. I'm gonna name it restaurant. So next, this would be the default. No need to change anything. And let's create. Now that we created a new project, as you can see, uh, the controller models, views are all default. The programming.cs also don't have database configured with the app settings. So first, let's create a new model. So add class. So we're gonna name it foot. We have public foot class. I already have a class here, foot class here. So we're gonna face it. So make sure it has ID, name, and I use data type that date, so it can only display the date or get the date only in the date time. But this is the expiration date. Make sure you use this if you're using this type of uh if you're using data type date. Next is the type. What type of food is it? Beverage. You can change it to category. So your name, type to category. You have public decimal price. So now that we made that the category, this is the most exciting part. Is you go to the controller, click the controller folder, right click and new scaffold item, and click MVC controller with views using entity framework. Click add. So find fruit restaurant at models. That's the model class. In DB context class, click the your data context and just click add. And you can choose any database provider you want and click add. So this will take a while. So let's just wait. Now that the scaffold item is complete, as you can see in the controller, FTSE controller, it created or automatically created the control boots controller. So we have the context, we have the index, the details, the create, edit, with action controller, we delete and confirm with would exist. So see, we already also have restaurant context. Next is the food is the model that we created. So we also auto generated the foods views. So we have create details, delete details, edit, and index. So in the program.cs, it automatically create the database connection as well here, a connection string. So the next thing you will do is go to uh, NuGet packet manager and then package manager console. It will over this and add, let's create new migration, add migration init or the name of the migration you want. So this just tells not about the price, decimal. So don't worry about that. So update. Next step is update database. In the migration, as you can see, it created a new migration folder with the migration to create table. So we created our database. So now let's run our website. So to run your or to go to the link of the foods page, you can either type it in URL to foods or the few foods here, or you can just uh go to shared layout and then add your new link here. Foods index foods or line changes. So let's see, wait, done. Yep, you have foods uh navigation. So let's see, and this is working. So yeah, for chicken, expiration date, uh, chicken price. Well, have that. Edit pri or water. Blah, blah. Yeah, the edit is working. Also, click. So after adding few bootstrap styling, we have this beautiful food inventory website. So you can create new food. The price that's compete to $200, and then we can edit this to Sabrina carpet. So let's add that. Add the price to $20. Details, and then we can also delete this, and then we're done. Thank you for watching.